A, si
For me.
Mylene.
For me, bakit naman hindi?
Ayun, Sarah
Sarah
Jane.
Jane.
Hello, yun. Yun, okay.
Yung mga hindi napili.
Ariel. Ariel. Ayun. Ayun pala si
Ayun,
Ariel. Number 2, ha? Yung pagkakasagot niya ng question. Mukhang vibes kayo dun sa party.
Ariel, ha?
Ano sabi ba?
Back to Iglaga, and this time we are... Ito lang ang kakausapin natin. Hi, Robert.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Kamusta ka na?
Send in their respective dates with flowers, courtesy of Domingo's Florist at the Landmark. The fine chemistry between our couples, along with the excellent food.